Hi friends, welcome to Model Maths Nagaraj Sir YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, click bell button and share with your friends. Today in this class we are going to learn intermediate first year mathematics 1A, fourth chapter addition of vectors, part 3. In part 1, part 2 we completed very short questions, and in part 2 with additional to very short questions, 4 marks questions also 3 completed. So fourth onwards we are going to learn from this part. So what is this? This is very most important question. So we have 3 questions are there in the next the same type of. So listen this carefully, then we can easily write remaining 2 also. That one, if a comma b comma c are non-coplanars of the vectors, prove that the following 4 points of coplanar: minus a plus 4b minus 3c, 3a plus 2b minus 5c, minus 3a plus 8b minus 5c, and minus 3a plus 2b plus c. So 4 points are given. So given that 4 points are given, we have to write a position vector of each and every point. So directly I am writing, let position vector of A, first one I am taking as position vector of A is taken as first point. What is that? Minus A plus 4b minus 3c. Similarly, position vector of second point is taken as OB, that is 3a plus 2b minus 5c. And position vector of C is OC is equal to what? Minus 3a plus 8b minus 5c. Next position vector of D is OD equal minus 3a plus 2b plus c. For 4 marks it is important question. There's a 4 marks questions we are learning. So we should find AB, AC and AD. So AB means what? Very good. OB minus OA. So how can we do? OB means what? 3a plus 2b minus 5c minus of OA. OA means minus a plus 4b minus 3c. So simplify this: 3a plus 2b minus 5c, minus into minus plus a, minus into plus minus 4b, minus into minus plus 3c. So now see how many a terms are there. Here 3a, here 1a, becomes 4a terms. Next b terms, here 2b, here minus 4b. So we get minus 2b. And c terms, here minus 5c, here plus 3c becomes minus 2c. So we got it. AB is this one. Next similarly we should find AB, AC, AD. 4 we have to find. Sorry, 3 vectors we should find. So next AC means what? OC minus OA. So OC means, what is the third? Yeah, minus 3A plus 8B minus 5C. And minus means minus OA. OA means what? Minus A plus 4B minus 3C. Okay, so minus 3a plus 8b minus 5c. Now minus into minus plus a, minus into plus minus 4b, minus into minus plus 3c. Now let us see a terms, here minus 3a, here plus a. So we get minus 2a. And b terms, here 8b, here minus 4b, 8 minus 4, 4b. And c terms, minus 5c plus 3c is minus 2c. So we got it AC also. Next similarly, last one is AD. So if you find AD, then we can enter into the solving problem. This is a very small problem. Small means easy problem. Okay, a simple concept. So next one is AD. AD means what? OD minus OA. So OD means what? Minus 3a plus 2b plus c minus OA. OA means what? Minus a plus 4b minus 3c. So doing this, minus 3a plus 2b plus c, minus into minus a plus a, minus into minus, minus into plus minus 4b, minus into plus minus into minus plus 3c. Now a terms, here minus 3a, here 1a, so becomes minus 2a. Here 2b, here minus 4b becomes minus 2b. C plus 3c becomes 4c. So we got it to 3 vectors. So to show to prove this, the 4 points are coplanar. We should find first AB, AC and AD. 3 vectors we should find. After getting 3 vectors, we should find the determinant of these 3 vectors. In these vectors, we can call as box AB, AC, AD. What is that? Box AB, AC, AD. So find it box AB, AC, AD value. If you get the answer is 0, then we can write that is coplanar. Can I remove this? Okay, did you write? Please note down. You just pause the video and write down. Next, I'm going to find, therefore, box AB, AC, AD is equal determinant C. What are the first A coefficient? 4, B coefficient -2, C coefficient -2. So 4 -2 -2. Next, second AC, -2 -4 -2. Next, third, -2 -2 4. So into small a, small b, small c, which is equal, because of the vector in the form of ABC. Okay, otherwise no need to write also. Simplify this. First one is what? 4 into determinant. Second one is minus of -2 into determinant. Plus third one is what? -2 into. So here also I am removing because of everything we have written. So after finding this determinant, we can finish the answer. So first, how to do? Did you complete matrices determinants how to find? Yes. Then it is easy. Otherwise, you first watch matrix determinants. Okay. Then do it. So 4 column, 4th row, close it. Then what are the remaining elements? -4 -2 -2 4. So write down -4 -2 -2 4. Next for -2. What are the -2 -2 -2 4? -2 -2 -2 4. Next for -2. -2 -4. -2 -4 -2 -2. So which is called 4 into. So do the cross multiplication. -4 into 4 -16 minus -2 into -2 plus 4. And minus into minus plus 2. -2 into 4 -8. Cross multiplication. First -2 into 8 -8 minus, keep minus, then -2 into -2 plus 4. And plus into minus -2. -2 into -2 plus 4 minus -2 into -4 is plus 8. Okay. So now 4 into -16 -4 it becomes -20 plus 2 into, okay, -8 -4 -12 -2 into, sorry, see, actually what is AB? 4 -2 -2. AC is -2 4 -2. So please change in the AC. I did a small mistake. Okay, everything is correct. So wherever we can change, this is plus 4. So 4 into 4 becomes plus 16. So 16 minus 4 becomes 12. And where here it is plus 4. So it becomes plus. Once see again. 4 4 just 16 minus -2 into -2 plus 4. Minus into minus plus 2. -2 into -4 -8 minus -2 into -2 plus 4. And plus into minus -2. -2 into -2 plus 4 minus -2 into 4 is -8. Minus of -8 means plus 8. So 4 plus 8 how much? 12. So 4 to 12 4 ja 48. 12 minus plus into minus -2 into 12 24. Minus into plus -2 into 12 24. So minus 24 minus 24 becomes -48. Minus 48 plus 48 becomes 0. Therefore we got it box AB, AC, AD is equal to 0. So if we get 0, then we can write, therefore the vectors OA, OB, OC, OD are, what is that? Coplanar. Okay. So this is, we have to write. This is the answer of this question. So this is very important question. Let me see, same question, just only vectors are different. You just do the as a practice or homework. So one more question is there, that I will tell you. So second, fifth one, consider as fifth one. That is minus 6a plus 2b minus c. 6a plus 2b minus. Okay, next similarly, fifth question, sixth question, same type of question. So question is same, AB is non-coplanar, then prove that following points are coplanar. So very important questions, this for 4 marks. Okay, 6a plus 2b minus c, 2a minus b plus 3c, minus a plus 2b minus 4c, minus 12a minus b minus 3c. Okay, same as well. This take OA, OB, OC, OD. Find out AB, you will get this as answer. AC, and OC minus OA do it, you will get AC. do AD like OD minus OA, we can get that one. After that, finding box AB, AC, AD. So you will get minus 4, minus 3 plus 4. Here minus 7, B coefficient is not there. That's why take 0 instead of B's place. Minus 3. Next minus 18, minus 3, minus 2. Simplify this, you will get 120 minus 120 means 0 you will get. So we can write coplanar. Same as usually 6th question also. 4i plus 5j plus k minus j minus k. 3i plus 9j plus 4k minus 4i plus 4j plus 4k. Same question. So just I comma j comma k are non-coplanar of the vectors. Prove that following 4 points are 4i plus 5j plus k, so ones are coplanar. How to do? Find AB. You will get minus 4i minus 6j minus 2k. Find AC. Minus i plus 4j plus 3k. Find AD. Minus 8i minus j plus 3k. Find the determinant. Means box AB, AC, AD. You will get 0. Then we can write coplanar. 7th question. It is very most important. If the points whose position vectors 3i minus 2j minus k, 2i plus 3j minus 4k, minus i plus j plus 2k and 4i plus 5j plus lambda k are coplanars, then show that lambda equal minus 146 by 17. Okay, same process. Okay, now first to take what is given. First let position vector of A is OA taken as minus I plus j plus 2k. Next, similarly, position vector of point B is, what is that? OB. You can next OB is, what is second vector? 2i plus 3j minus 4k. Sorry. Similarly, position vector of C is OC is equal, what is third one? Minus I plus j plus 2k. Next, position vector of D is OD is equal to what? 4i plus 5j plus lambda k. So after writing this, what we have to find? Yes, AB, AC, AD. 3 values we have to find. AB means what? OB minus OA. AB means what? OB minus OA. OB means, yes, 2i plus 3j minus 4k minus OA. What is OA? Minus I plus j plus 2k. So we should simplify this. 2i plus 3j minus 4k minus into minus plus I minus into plus minus j minus into plus minus 2k. So now see what are the items. Here 2 are there, here 1 is there, totally 3 items. Next j terms, plus 3j minus 1j is plus 2j. K terms, minus 4k minus 2k is minus 6k. So AB we got it. Next similarly find out what is AC. AC means what? OC minus OA. So what is OC? OC means minus I plus j plus 2k minus of OA. OA means, yes, minus I plus j plus 2k. So simplify this. This is minus I plus j plus 2k as it is. But here minus into minus plus I, minus into plus minus j minus 2k. So now tell me, plus I minus I gets cancelled, am I right? So j minus j also gets cancelled. Okay, plus 2k minus 2k also gets cancelled. Once check it, is anything wrong? Sorry, the first vector is 3i minus 2j minus k. I'm very sorry. So first one is wrong. Please change it. 3i minus 2j minus k. Then here also we can get wrong. Sorry. What do we get? 3i minus 2j minus k. So minus 3i, okay, plus 2j plus k. So this we can simplify this. 2i minus 3i is minus I, plus 3j plus 2j is plus 5j, minus 4k plus k is minus 3k. Similarly, OC minus OA. OC is, okay, OA is different. So again I am writing. So what is OA? 3i minus 2j minus k. So which is called minus I plus j plus 2k minus into 3i minus 3i minus into minus plus 2j minus into minus plus k. So now minus I term minus 3 items. So totally we get minus 4i. Next j terms, here plus 2j, here plus j becomes 3j. K terms 3k. So this is AC. Okay. Once again check it. Any doubt? Okay. Okay, everything right. Next to AD. So AD means what? OD minus OA. So what is OD? Position vector of D. That is 4i plus 5j plus lambda k minus OA. OA means 3i minus 2j minus k. So simplify this. 4i plus 5j plus lambda k, okay, minus 3i, minus into minus plus 2j, minus into minus plus k. So finally 4i minus 3i is I, 5j plus 2j is yes 7j. Lambda k plus k means what? We can't add variable and number. So take k common, we get lambda plus 1. So this is AD. So we got 3 terms. Okay. Up to here we can get 4 marks. For writing these 4 steps we can get 1 mark. Finding AB, AC, AD we get 3 marks. I have got 4 marks completed. Next, after this, what is the next step? Yes, given that these 4 are coplanar, so box AB, AC, AD. Can I remove this? After that, I am removing, continue here. Box AB, AC, AD equal to 0. Why? Given that OA, OB, OC, OD are coplanar. So coplanar means therefore box AB, AC, AD is equal to 0. So box AB, AC, AD means what? Minus 1, 5, minus 3, minus 1, 5, minus 3. AC means minus 4, 3, 3. AD means 1, 7, lambda plus 1. And is equal means is equal, 0 means 0. Okay. Then simplify this, we can get lambda value minus 140 by 17. How can we do? So minus 1 into cross multiplication. Okay, I am writing one more step also. Minus 1 into, so close minus 1 column row, we get 3, 3, 7 lambda plus 1 minus 5 into remaining letters minus 4, 3, 1 lambda plus 1 plus minus 3 into, what is the remaining? Minus 4, 3, 1, 7 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Okay. About writing this, we explained in determinants. Okay. So minus 1 into 3 into lambda plus 1. 3 into lambda. 3 lambda. 3 into 1. 3. So we get 3 lambda plus 3 minus 7 into 3 how much? 21. And minus 5 into, here also minus 4 into lambda. Minus 4 lambda. Minus 4 into 1. Minus 4. Next minus 1 into 3 is 3. So plus into minus, minus 3 into, so this is also, I am removing. Okay friends, I told you this is very most important question. Minus 4 into 7 minus 28 minus 1 into 3 is 3 is equal to 0 means 0. Solving this we can get lambda value. So minus 1 into 3 lambda minus 3 lambda minus 1 into 3 minus 3 minus into plus plus 21. Next minus 5 into minus 4 becomes 20 lambda minus 5 into minus 4 becomes plus 20 minus 5 into minus 3 becomes plus 15. Next, minus 3 into minus 28 becomes how much? Minus into minus plus 28 3 ja. 3 8 ja 24, 3 2 ja 6 to 84. Minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. Okay. Next, see how many lambda terms are there? Here 20 lambda, here minus 3 lambda. So 20 lambda minus 3 lambda becomes 17 lambda. And constant terms, how many positive terms are there? 9, 84, 93. 15, 20, 21. These are positive terms. Add this roughly 21. Next 20. Next 15. Next 84. Next 9. So much 6, 10, 19. 9, 10, 14. And minus 3. So 146. Yeah. Plus 146 is equal to 0. Okay. This is rough. So we got it 17 lambda plus 146 is equal to 0. Then 17 lambda is equal to minus 146. Then lambda equal minus 146 by 17. Got it lambda value? Yes. Hence proved. Hence proved. So this is the answer of this question. This is very most important question. So give more priority to practice this question. So next, eighth question. This is also important question. Show that the line joining pair of points 6a minus 4b plus 4c comma minus 4c, and again line joining pair of points minus a minus 2b minus 3c comma a plus 2b minus 5c intersect at the point minus 4c where a, b, c are coplanar. See, very simple question actually. Here we have to find line joining the pair of so and so, 2 points. So passing through 2 points, what is vector equation? R equal 1 minus t into a plus t into b. Very good. Similarly, second line pair of points, this is a, this is b consider. So this also we get 1 minus t into a plus tb. So 2 equations we get. By solving those 2 equations, we can get intersect point minus 4c. Okay. So let us take solution. Given that, let first one is a of a is equal to point taken as 6a minus 4b plus 4c, and second point taken as b, that is minus 4c. So equation of line, which equation? Vector equation of line passing through a and b is passing through small a of a and b of b is what? R equal 1 minus t into a plus t into b. Actually, we have to find 2 equations. One more line equation also we shall write. That's why here I am taking 1 minus t1 into a plus t1 into b. What is t1? T1 is a real number. So substitute in that and simplify. 1 minus t1 into a means what here? 6a minus 4b plus 4c plus t1 into b. B means what? Minus 4c. Okay. So what is a coefficient? What is b coefficient? What is c coefficient? Simplify. So 1 into 6a, 1 into minus 4a, minus, otherwise simply. So here a coefficient is 6 into 1 minus t1. Okay, 6 into 1 minus t1. So we get 6 minus 6t1 into a coefficient. Next to b coefficient, minus 4 into plus minus 4 into 1 minus 4, minus 4 into minus t1 plus t1, 4t1 into b. And c coefficient, 4 into 1, 4 into minus t1, minus 4t1. Am I right? And here also c coefficient, minus 4 into t1, minus 4t1 into c. So this is a coefficient, b coefficient, c coefficient. This is vector r. So let I am taking as equation 1. Next, similarly, given that, let the second point c of c is equal second line minus a minus 2b minus 3c, and the other point d of small d I am taking a plus 2b minus 5c. So for this, what is the vector of line equation? 1 minus some t2 into a plus a means here c. So c plus t2 into d. What is t2? T2 is a real number. Is it vector equation? Okay, now passing through 2 points C and D. So now substitute and simplify. 1 minus T2 into C. C means what? Minus A minus 2B minus 3C plus T2 into D. D means what? A plus 2B minus 5C. Simplify this. 1 into minus A minus 2B minus 3C minus T2 into A plus T2A minus T2 into minus 2b plus 2t2b minus T2 into minus plus 3t2c. And similarly here also T2 into A, T2A, T2 into 2b, 2t2b, T2 into minus 5c minus 5t2c. So then in the next step, what are the A terms? Here minus A, here T2A, here T2A. So completely here minus 1, T2 plus T2, 2T2, A terms. Next to B terms, here minus 2, here minus 2, here 2T, here 2T2. So total 4T2 B terms. Next to C terms, here minus 3. Okay now, here minus 3 C terms, here C terms 3T2, here minus 5T2. So we get minus 2T2. Am I right? Minus 5 plus 3 means minus 2. So listen, here A coefficient, here minus 1, here A coefficient is T2, here A coefficient is T2. So here plus T2 plus T2 becomes plus 2t2. Next b terms here minus 2 and here b coefficient here plus 2t2 plus 2t2 becomes plus 4t2 and plus c coefficient. Here c coefficient is minus 3 and here c coefficient is 3t2. Here c coefficient is minus 5t2. Minus 5t2 plus 3t2 is minus 2t2. Do c. So this is taken as equation 2. So now we have to compare this 1 and 2. Is it clear? Okay. So first write the line equation passing through 2 points and simplify. And similarly write the second line equation for using 2 points and simplify. We get equation 1 and equation 2. Now we are going to simplify this equation 1 and equation 2. So after solving this 1 and 2 we can get to T1 and T2 value. Okay. Next here equating A comma B comma C coefficients of equation 1 and equation 2. What is the A coefficient from equation 1? 6 minus 61 is equal. In the second equation, what is A coefficient? Minus 1 plus 2t2. Okay. So minus 6t2 minus 61, 6 minus, bring left side minus 1 becomes plus 1, 2t bring left side minus t2. So which can get minus 61 minus 2t2, 6 plus 1 is 7. Or if you multiply with minus, we get 61 plus 2t2 plus, minus 7 equals 0. Okay, taken as equation 3. Similarly, B coefficients, compare B coefficient. Here, what is B coefficient? Minus 4 plus 40. So, minus 4 plus 41. And in the second equation, what is B coefficient? Minus 2 plus 4t2. Minus t plus 2 plus 42. So now minus 4 plus 41, left hand side as it is, bring left side right side. So 2 minus 42 equal 0. Okay. So now 41, bring left side minus 42. Already left side. Minus 4 plus 2 how much? Minus 2. And moreover you can take 2 common. Yes, if you take out 2 common, then 2t1 minus 2t2 minus 1 equal 0. Equation 4. By solving 1 and 2, we can get t1 and t2 values. After getting t1 value, substitute in equation 1, we can get intersect point. Or substitute t2 value in equation 2, then also we can get intersect point minus 4c. Then our problem is completed. Okay, can I remove this? So now I am going to simply solve equation 1, 3 and 4. Is it clear? Okay. Same. Solving 3 and 4. Solving equation 3 and 4. So how can we solve T1, T2 constant? What is T1? First one 2 minus 7, 6, 2. From the second equation minus 2 middle term. Next minus 1, next 2, next minus 2. Okay. Solve this. Solve this, we can get T1 and T2 values. T1 by cross multiplication 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 into minus 7 14, which is equal to T2 by say minus 7 into 2 minus 14 minus 1 into minus 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 6, which is equal to 1 by 6 into minus 2 minus 12 minus 2 into 2 4. So T1 by minus 2 minus 14 minus 16 is equal to T2 by minus into minus, this is plus 6, minus 14 plus 6 is minus 8, 1 by minus 12 minus 4 is minus 16. See, okay, after that write up this. Next to comparing first and last, we can get T1 by minus 16 equal 1 by minus 16. Cancel, we get T1 equal to 1. Similarly solve second and third, we get T2 value, that we get 1 by 2. So T2 by minus 8 equal 1 by minus 16 on ja 2 ja. So T2 equal 1 by 2. So one value is enough. I am taking T1 value. So therefore substitute T1 equal to 1 in equation 1. So then we can get intersect point minus 4c. What is the equation 1? Just next to equation 1, what is equation 1? R equals 6 minus t1 into a plus, okay. The previous steps I have taken. Now substitute t1 equal to 1 in this equation. Then r equal to 6 minus 6 into 1 into a plus minus 4 plus 4 into 1 into b plus 4 minus 8 into 1 into c. 6 1 just 6 minus 6 0. So 0 into a, 4 minus 4 0, 0 into b, 8 into 1 minus 8 plus 4 becomes minus 4 into c. So 0 plus 0 minus 4c, which is called minus 4c. So therefore one intersecting point what? Therefore finally the answer is intersect point is 4c. Okay, next ninth question. Find the vector equation of plane passing through points 4i minus 3j minus k, 3i plus 7j minus 10k, 2i plus 5j minus 7k. Show that the point I plus 2j minus 3k lies in the plane. So passing to these points means we get a plane equation. Then after finding this plane equation, we should prove that this point it lies in that plane. So what are the given points? One is given that a of a. First one is 4i minus 3j minus 5k. And second point is 3i plus 7j minus 10k. And the third point is 2i plus 5j minus 7k. Okay. So this is given that solution. Next we have to find the equation of the plane passing through this point. What is the vector equation? Vector equation of plane passing through the points is 1 minus t minus s into a plus t into b plus s into c. What about t and s belongs to real numbers. So now I am going to find the vector equation. So 1 minus t minus s into a. A means what? 4i minus 3j minus 5k plus t into b means what? 3i plus 7j minus 10k plus s into c means what? 2i plus 5j minus 7k. Actually in 2 marks question no need to simplify from then after. But in 4 marks we should simplify and we have to follow the given according to the rule. So which is called, what is the I coefficient? 1 minus t minus s into 4. Okay, 4 into 1. 4 into minus t minus 4t minus 4 into minus s minus 4s into I. Similarly, j coefficient minus 3 into 1 minus 3 into t plus 3t minus 3 into minus s plus 3s into j. Similarly, k coefficient minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into minus t plus t minus 1 into minus s plus s into k. Next here same plus t into 3ti, 7 into t 7tj minus 10 into t minus 10tk. Next here also 2i into s 2si, 5 into s 5sj minus 7 into s minus 7sk. So then see. Okay, next I coefficients. Okay, usually what are the I coefficient here? 4 minus 4t minus 4s, and here I coefficient is plus 3t, and here I coefficient is plus 2s into I. Next similarly j coefficients. What are the j coefficient? Minus 3 plus 3t plus 3s, and here j coefficient is 70, and here j coefficient is plus 5s into j. Next k coefficient. Okay, here k coefficient is minus 1 plus t plus s, and here k coefficient is minus 10t, here k coefficient is minus 7s. So into k. So now simplify. Constant only 4, and t terms here minus 4t, here plus 3 becomes minus t, s terms minus 4 plus 2a becomes minus 2s into I. Next to j coefficients. Constant minus 3, t terms plus 3t plus 7t, how much? Very good, 10t. S terms 3s plus 5s becomes 8s into j. Next to k coefficient minus 1, t terms minus 90, s terms s minus 7s, s minus 7 becomes minus 6s into k. So this is the passing through 3 points equation. This we got it. So what do we have to prove? This is a plane equation passing through 3 points. Now we have to prove the third another point I plus 2j minus 3k. It lies on this equation 1. So to that, first we found just passing through 3 points formula and we substituted, simplified this answer. Then after we have to prove a point. What is that point? What is that point? I plus 2j minus 3k is lies in this equation. So taken as equation 2. Let a point. So comparing or equating, comparing I coefficients of 1 and 2. Similarly, j coefficient, k coefficients. What is I coefficient? 1. What is I coefficient? 4 minus t minus 2s is equal to 1. Okay. So then minus t minus 2s 4. 1 bring left side, minus 1 equal 0. So we get minus t minus 2s. 4 minus 1 is plus 3 equal 0. So minus multiply t plus 2s minus 3 equal 0, equation 2. Similarly, j coefficients. Okay. Similarly, j coefficients. Compare with j coefficient. What is the j coefficient? 2. What is the j coefficient here? Minus 3 plus 10t plus 8s is equal to 2. So we get 10t plus 8s. 2 send bring left side. It becomes minus 2. And minus 3 as there. So 10t minus 8s minus 5 equal to 0, equation 3. Next, similarly, k coefficients. So here 3 terms we should find. So what are the k coefficient? Minus 1 minus 90 minus 6s is equal to here k term minus 3. So minus 1 minus 90 minus 6s minus 3 means plus 3 equal 0. So minus 90 minus 6s plus 2 equal 0. So multiply with minus 90 plus 6s minus 2 equal 0, equation 4. So we got it 3 equation. We have to solve any 2 equations by getting s and t values of any 2 equations. Substitute in another equation. We can get, if satisfies that, then we can say the following point lies on equation 1. So therefore I am going to solving 2 and 3. So TS1. What is on? 2 minus 3, 1, 2. And here minus 8, minus 5, 10, minus 8. So directly I am writing answer. So T equal minus 10, minus 24. Minus 24 by 1 into minus 8, minus 10. Minus 18. Next S is equal. You do step by step. I think you know what is the process. Next S. Minus 30 plus 5. Minus 25 by 1 into 8. Minus 8 minus 20. Minus 28. So here also we get minus 28. So check it once. Is there anything wrong? Okay. Sorry, here this is 20 plus 8s. So we get minus 8 plus 8. Then it becomes what? Minus 10. Okay. Plus 24 becomes minus 14. By 1 into 8. 8 minus 20. So minus 12 we get. Minus 12. Next same S value also small change. Minus 3 into 10. Minus 30 plus 5. Okay, it is minus 25 by minus 12. So cancel, minus minus cancel. In 2 table, 2 6 ja, 2 7 ja. Here also no cancel. So T equal 7 by 6. S is equal 25 by 12. Okay. These two values we should substitute. Substitute T equal 7 by 6 and S is equal 25 by 12 in equation 4. If it is satisfies equation 4, then we can say the point, what is the point? I plus 2j minus 3k lies on the plane equation, that is equation 1. Okay. So 9 into plus 6 into minus 2. So T means what? 7 by 6. S means what? 25 by 12. So we can cancel 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 2 ja. LCM is 2. 3 into 7, 21. Plus 1 into 25, 25. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Okay. So verify it. Sorry, here it is plus 14. So becomes minus 7 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 7 by 6. So it is minus 25. Now 25 it is positive. Negative minus 21 minus 4 minus 25. So 25 minus 25 by 2 means what? 25 minus 25 0. 0 by 2 means 0 equals 0. Okay. Satisfied. Therefore what we can write? Therefore point, given point lies on plane equation 1. hence proved. This is the solution. And one more last question is there, so we can complete this chapter. Okay, last question in this part, not only in this part, in this chapter also. Find the vector equation of line parallel to the vector 2i minus j plus 2k and passing through point capital A whose position vector is 3i plus j minus k. If P is a point on the line such that AP equal to 15, then find the position vector of P. So here we have to find a line equation. First of all, we can find a equation parallel to and passing through. Am I right? So what is given? Passing point is 3i plus j minus k, and parallel vector is taken as B, that is 2i minus j plus 2k. Okay. What is the vector equation? Vector equation passing through A of A and parallel to B bar is what? R bar equal to, yes, tell me, A plus TB. Very good. So A means what here? 3i plus j minus k plus T into B means what? 2i minus j plus 2k. So what is T? T is some real number. We just find some equation passing through point and parallel to vector. Okay, this is A, point A passing through, and some parallel to another vector B bar. Okay, here now we have to find P is a point on this line. P is a point on this line. Okay, where given that, and AP is equal to what? AP is equal to 15. What is AP? P we don't know where it is. So that's why, like what we call some parametric equations in circles or in lines like that. Here also we can take AP can be taken as, AP means is the distance between A and P. So that is taken as some T into, what is the point here? Tell me which point? 2i minus j plus 2k. 2i minus j plus 2k. Modulus is equal to 15. Okay, here we have to understand that point, so parallel to this vector. Okay, we are going to find this is same. Parallel means, so AP can be treated as, it is on B bar. So AP is T into some parametric, T into B. So simplify this, we can get T value. After getting T value, substitute in this equation, we can get the answer. Okay, how can you get? Can I remove that question? Okay, through this question we can complete this chapter. So means 10 4 marks questions. These are enough. 10 4 marks question. And part 1, part 2 we completed. Part 1, part 2 we completed. Taken as this is equation 1. Very short questions, 2 marks questions. Next, simplify this. So this is called modulus T means, okay, modulus T into root of I coefficient 2 square plus j coefficient minus 1 square plus k coefficient 2 square is equal to 15. So modulus T into root of 2 square 4 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 15. Modulus T into root 9 becomes 4 plus 1 5 plus 4 9 equal to 15. Root 9 means what? Yes, 3. So 3 equal to 15. So modulus T equal to 15 by 3. So modulus T equal to 5. Then T equal what? Plus or minus 5. What is T value? After getting T value, substitute in equation 1. We can get required vector, that is 3i plus j minus k plus or minus 5 into, okay, 2i minus j plus 2k. So what is this? This is 5. So this will be the answer. If moreover, if you want to one substitute plus 5 and one substitute minus 5. So we can get, once take plus 5, we get r equal, just nothing, you substitute plus 5, we get one answer, 3i plus j minus k plus 5 into 2i minus j plus 2k. So we get 3i plus j minus k plus 5 2 ja 10i, 5 into minus 1 minus 5j, 5 into 2 10k. So which is equal 3i plus 10 39, j minus 5 minus 4j minus k plus 10 9k. So this is one of the answer. If you take minus 5, we get what we get? 3i plus j minus k minus 5 into 2i minus j plus 2k. So simplify this, we get answer. What is the answer? Yeah. 3i plus j minus 5k minus 5 into 2 minus 10i minus 5 into j plus 5j minus 5 into 2 minus 10k. So r bar equal 3i minus 10 minus 7i, j plus 6j minus k minus 10k minus 11k. So this is the answer. Okay. If you get any inconvenience, I am extremely sorry. Actually here a little bit of power problem. So finally we completed this chapter. So the next we can have product of vectors. Then okay, this is the addition of vectors. So very most important question. These questions are enough to reach our exam. We can definitely come done 1 4 marks question, 2 2 marks question from this chapter. Thank you for watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and please share with your friends. Thank you.